Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today was another learning day. I basically hit it big on some option trades, and going into tomorrow, they are just about to be given right back exactly where they got given from. So let's talk about this and this silly little mistake and learning step that'll basically, I don't know, it's a learning step for me, of course. So obviously, just under 6 months trading options in the market, and I've had some really high highs and some really lows, some really low lows. But today, basically, let's talk about what you guys see on screen. So, as you guys see, today I was up $552, 228% on my portfolio. Basically, before market opened this morning, I had $242 in my account, and by the end of the day, it was nearly close to $800. So, what exactly happened there? So, if we go here, basically put in $192 into some Ford calls. Ford obviously spiked really big before market and after market yesterday. They smashed earnings, destroyed earnings. I think it was somewhere, they said that they were projecting, or they had like somewhere 1.6 billion in revenue just this year, which is absolutely incredible. So basically it turned $192 into $744. So that was this massive spike up. In between that, I have some Nokia calls going, so those are basically in the trenches too. They expire tomorrow. There's no way it's gonna hit 6.5. So that's fine, but there was at one point something in here dripped or went a little bit lower, which I'm guessing it was these Apple calls. They gained a little bit of steam, just a little bit. Somehow my counter got to 835. Not sure how that happened, but basically ended the day off at 800. So now, why did I go and buy Apple call options? I thought Apple was gonna do decent on earnings. I thought they were gonna be on par with kind of what they were doing, considering the Apple event in September. Almost hit 165 there, or they basically did hit 165, or 155, I believe it was. So I think back in September I had 165 calls going. I wanted it to hit 165 by the beginning of November, or was it the end of September? Anywhere, somewhere between there. But that obviously didn't work. I think I was down about 80% on those. And similar thing happening tomorrow with these Apple calls. So I bought 155 Apple calls, and as you can see, Apple's price is 147 now. So but these calls of, I think it was somewhere around here, 152. So I was basically projecting if Apple did do well on earnings and they projected what they were going to do, it was basically going to spike up a couple bucks. I was going to get my return on this options play, which I basically put 585 into, which was basically a little bit more than what I made today on that one single trade. Now, the interesting thing here, Apple's volume today was 100 million shares. So 100 million shares traded today, which, I mean, it was up like $3.72 by the end of market, but into after hours it basically just kaboomed itself. It exploded. So it almost got back up to 149, but basically kind of trailed off. I have no way in heck saying Apple reach anywhere close to 152 or 150 tomorrow. So the call option that I basically bought today is basically in the trenches. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and see most likely around 80-90% of this trade in the hole, which, hey, you live and you learn. So this is kind of the risky thing about trading options, trading, especially with earnings. Things can go up or things literally fall on their face, kind of what happened here with Apple. So just something for me to think about in the future, especially in the next coming weeks. So like over the summer. Switch earnings, I hit it really big on those, and I got lucky. You know, Switch, I think when they reported earnings, I think next pre-market day or after, it was up like $2 or $3, or maybe even $5, somewhere around there. It basically skyrocketed. My $300 investment turned into a 4-figure return, which was absolutely insane. I mean, I've done earnings before. Things have gone up, things have gone down, but listen, this is a trading kind of lifestyle. You live and you learn. It's a learning step, and today I hit it big in the morning, and tomorrow it's just going to go right back to where it came from. So just wanted to make this quick little video. If you guys enjoyed, let me know down in the comments, share this with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.